What's the meaning of airbrush? Airbrush. 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 Airbrush is a tool that sprays paint or ink onto a surface. It is used for painting, illustrating, and retouching. The result of airbrushing is a smooth, even finish with a gradient effect that can simulate shadows, highlights, and other effects. Airbrushing is often used in automotive design to create intricate designs, illustrations, and murals. It is also commonly seen in the fashion industry for makeup application and photo editing to enhance photographic details. Overall, airbrushing provides a precise and realistic finish that enhances artistic or graphic design work.